As Drake says, if the devil's in the details, then I'm satanic. Yeah. So I created this huge ass all-in-one life planner dashboard, and it's pretty fucking good. I'm never proud of anything that I do, but this hoe, she's good. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. What? Okay. I'm gonna sit, like that just makes more sense for everybody. Sybil is always trying to drink my drink. You don't want it, it's a cold brew, you would go bonkers. I haven't used that word in a good, never. It has been more than a minute, babe. It's been a decade since I have picked up the camera because I decided to just go full force hibernation mode. That was Sybil's tail. I decided to go full force hibernation mode for the last 3 weeks to work on finishing my Notion templates, which are now live. I'll have the link to my Etsy shop with the Notion templates down in the description below if you want to check those out. Next week, I'm going to do a Notion tour, like how I organize my life in Notion, because the whole point of this project was to rehaul my Notion to create a perfect system for me to organize my life. Okay, organize my life, keep everything efficient, have everything in one place, and it serve all functions. And I did that. I've put over 100 hours. I think I started this project a week after I started my little sobriety journey. 2 months and 2 days sober, so 64 days, but 2 and 2 just sounds better, looks better. I have it tatted on me. I love 2s. My birthday's 2/22. Anyway, enough. Oh, it started as, I'm just gonna rehaul my Notion, I'm going to duplicate it, and then you guys can have it too, because why not? But then it turned into seeing every way that I could improve every aspect of it, to the point where I have created daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly planners inside that track habits, routines, your meals, your fitness, water, sleep, supplements. There's just so much. Yeah, and I filled it out, so it's like pre-filled out for the rest of 2023 and then all of 2024. I went to town, babes. I went to town. Something about ADHD that is specific to me is the hyper focus. So like when I get a new hobby or a new project, I hyper focus on that shit. When I tell you I woke up at 4 in the morning for a week just to work on this, and I worked like 12 hours at my computer, that's that ADHD hyper focus, and it came in clutch. I'm glad that I did that because I got this project done accelerated instead of it taking me so long. As Drake says, if the devil's in the details, then I'm satanic. Yeah. So I created this huge ass all-in-one life planner dashboard, and it's pretty fucking good. I'm never proud of anything that I do, but this hoe, she's good. Just look at the little cover photo for it. I'm throwing up and crying. Love. Also, found a love in graphic design. I've always loved graphic design, but I didn't know how much I loved it. So I think a new journey for me, a new path, is making templates. Like for Notion, Canva, printables. I don't know. I love the graphic design and I love making things like that. So comment below whatever digital templates you want, anything you could want that you digitally download, let me know in the comments below, because I love doing that stuff. It's fun for me. There's so many components to the all-in-one thing that I made. So that is like the main girly, the thick boy. And then I realized there are so many good templates within this. I have listed some of the templates from that main one on my Etsy, so that if you're not as neurotic, type A, and crazy about organizing your life as me, you can just get like the finance dashboard or the content creator dashboard, because some things apply to you, some things don't. Right now, I want to show you the new chair that I got for my office. I finally got a chair, and babes, it's cozy in here. But before we do all of that, let's journey back to whatever the fuck I filmed like a couple weeks ago. My bangs only look good the first day after the shower, then it's Dwight. It's all Dwight all the time. Today's Sunday. I'm not doing my weekly reset. I did it yesterday because today my friend Nikki and I are going up to LA to meet up, with our friend Jasmine. We're gonna go to the Melrose Flea Market. We're gonna get brunch. It's gonna be a cute little moment. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I need to figure out a mirror that's not right here, where the lighting's better so that I could do better outfit moments, because this, It's the best that I can do right now. But this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the dress from, if you watch my last vlog, I thrifted this bad boy from ThredUp. It's a little vintage Urban Outfitters. It's probably like a month old, but you know what? It's vintage to me. It's cloudy, but it's 90 degrees today. Perfect for a black dress. Do you know what I'm saying? Like the vibes are there, the thought was there. But then I'm wearing white sneaks because I really don't know, aside from cowgirl boots, what else to wear with the dress. I did my nails. They're all broken off. I had hard gel on them, but when I get anxiety or it's a situation I don't like, I'm ripping these bad boys off. So needless to say, last week I ripped off all of my nails, but I just put a little black gel on. I'm gonna be the girly, round 2, who does her own nails, because last time it was horrendous. This time, I know my way with a nail drill. I feel like I'm better at doing my own nails. I mean, look at this, vibes. I just took it left like I'm ambidex, you know what I'm saying? My bayangs were so cute yesterday, and now, anyway, it's 9:30. I'm gonna head over to Nikki's house, and then we're gonna head up to LA.
I think we're tourists. These bitches. Looks like graffiti, really.
Got it?
Hi guys, this feels like a cooking show. I can't escape that. Why? Did I already do an intro for this video? I think this is a chai. It's not. All that to say, I got some fall things at Target. I love talking. It is my sport. I went buck wild with formulas and let's make the damn chai while I'm talking. I cannot multitask. I realized this isn't a chai, this is pumpkin spice latte, but it's black tea, so not really. And I also can't drink coffee because I found out that's a trigger for my IC. If you don't know what IC is, watch my last vlog. I did a little talking about it. It's an autoimmune thing. Anyway, what was I saying about my Notion templates? See, this is why I can't multitask. And they're both the boys. I can't. Anyway, so as I was saying with the Notion templates, they're live now, and I will have the link to my Etsy shop with the Notion templates and all of that in the description below for you to peep, but I'm gonna work on that today, the finishing touches. I went buck wild with formulas. I learned how to do formula. It's like coding, but for Notion. Doing that whole sobriety isolation journey, everybody clap, everybody cheer, but I have been taking the time to just fully work on this Notion project, which I'm so proud of because I've always wanted to create a brand, create a product, but I didn't know what is my thing. What am I known for? What can I provide value with to the world? And that's organization, bitch. I hate that that's what I'm great at, but having ADHD has made me hyper organized, I realize, because without the routine and structure, it's just floating nothingness up there. So I need that, and I'm good at that, so I created something, I created something that I use and that benefits me in my life and keeps my shit organized. So I took my sobriety journey and I made something with it, and I love it. You guys are gonna love this Notion template. Oh, this needs to be, okay. And there's also video tutorials within the stuff. Shut up, ruining my moment. Okay, open up needs to be center stage, girly. Get out of my way. Oh, yeah, the whole point of the fall thing. How did we start talking about Notion? I got some stuff from Target for the fall time. I love fall. This is not fall related, and I got this a while ago, but then I never showed it. I got a little mug rack, and then a rack, tree, stand, I don't know, matches my vibes. And then look at this little mug. You know it's not fall until I switch out the cleaning products. So I got my dish soap, the classic apple cider scent that I get every year. Then I got multi-surface cleaning spray, you know what it is. Not from Target, but I got some Truvani plant-based protein pumpkin spice. This is the most gorgeous fall candle I've ever seen in my life. It's pumpkin woods. Oh God, I want fall injected into my veins every day. How have I been talking for this fucking long? Okay, I'm gonna go finish my morning routine and shut up. Anyway, so now we're back to present day. Let's move on. Okay, this is ugly. We need to have a little background on because it's just, I can't handle the ugliness. There we go, vibes. Let's get it going. Let's get it on and poppin'. I need to shut the fuck up sometimes. This is, ooh, that's gonna just sit there until I can bring it to my mom's. There is just no room anywhere in the apartment for this, and it's too big to go in the hallway anywhere. It's the only spot that it can fit for now, but yeah. Also, have to get a new desk chair, and you guys know I wanna get the corner desk. Oh, but see, then that's gonna be a problem because I like the chair there. Ooh, we'll have to cross that bridge when we get to it, but the chair, absolutely gorgeous, guys. I will never get over it. The chair is from Cardiel. It is the 45 25-inch Alexis white buccal chair. I think that's how you say it, but I will link it below, the exact chair that I got. I'm obsessed with it. It's the perfect size because it's big enough so that it's so cozy. I can just sit there on my laptop when my back hurts over at the desk, because I do need a new desk chair, by the way. Oh, I love her so much, vibes. Also, love my little outfit. It's basically what I wear every day, but the jeans are black this time. These are from White Fox, and they have little ass rips. And then the sneaky sneaks are from Amazon, which I'll link below. Top Brandy Melville from when I was in high school. Like, this hoe has stayed intact for a decade. Oh God, that is actually sick. I started high school 11 years ago. Oh my God, we cannot have that kind of life crisis right now. I don't have the time, but that's what I'm wearing. Hi.